how to post story on Telegram. Now, if you wish to post a story on Telegram, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Launch the Telegram app and just make sure that you're signed into your account. From your contacts, if anybody posts a story, you'll find them right over here. If you want to post your own story, you can tap on the three lines option from the top left, go to your profile right here, and you'll see a couple of options. So what do you do if you want to post your own story? Just tap on this little camera icon from the bottom right, and from here you can simply choose to take a photo or take a video based on what you want. After you customize all of your details that you want in this photo or story, tap on next. Then once you tap on the next option, you should be able to basically see who can view your story. You can set this to everyone, your contacts, close friends, or selected users. You can allow the screenshots or disallow them and select them and tap on the post story option to be able to post a story on Telegram. This way you'll be able to post a story on Telegram. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.